Let's make watermelon salad. So delicious and refreshing for the summer and spring with only 4 ingredients. We've got, of course, the watermelon, the star of the show. We've got the fresh mint, which I picked from my herb garden, and we've got some beautiful tomatoes and some limes, which we're gonna squeeze and have fresh lime juice in this salad. I have some optional toppings here, and we'll go through those, and yeah, let's get started. It's so delicious. Go ahead and cut on each side here. Then I'm going to cut down the middle here. Oh, that looks beautiful. Cut the rind and as much of the pith as you can so you can get to the fruit. Takes a little bit of work. Great, perfect. And then I'm just going to cut down here. So we'll have it in cubes. Cut this way. This. I'm not a chef, and it's not always perfect. So I'm gonna do that. Cut some pieces about that size. Put them into our bowl here. Just my way of doing this. The juicy one. They call it a watermelon. Made a lot of watermelon. It's only half of the small watermelon. Let's go ahead and cut our tomatoes into quarters. Got tomatoes in there. And now we're going to do the limes. Just like to roll it out a little bit. Depending on how much lime you like. Pour over our fresh lime juice. I'm just gonna mix. Optional, you can add some sea salt, hemp seeds, add a nice nutty flavor, some more herbs on top. There you have it, a delicious watermelon salad. We're just going to serve this up. Oh, juicy goodness, so good. And you can put more of the juice on top, adding more hemp seeds. The other optional ingredient is follow your heart feta. And there you have it, this delicious watermelon salad. It's so refreshing, it's so delicious. The fresh squeezed lime juice on there, it's just everything. It's so good. So let's, it's so refreshing. All those flavors. And the mint, the mint is awesome. Add a little sprinkling of that. And yeah, so good. We'll see you next time. That is so good.